Breaking news to future teaching candidates. Before you continue any further in your education journeys, you should know some things about legislation and legal responsibilities in the classroom. Teachers all around the country are finding themselves in legal situations, but today we are here to help you avoid those conflicts and keep you in the classroom. First of all, it is most important to explain both federal and state protections that are in place in order to support special populations in education. Here in the state of California, there are a few state protections that students are entitled to that you should be aware of as an educator. For special education students, according to California Legislative Information, Assembly Bill 1172 states that local education agencies require that students with significant behavioral needs who attend non sectarian schools to have a person on site who is qualified to implement interventions. Another example that impacts bullying for students is Assembly Bill 34, which was passed in 2019, which ensures information such as Title IX, local education agencies' policies on sexual harassment, anti discrimination, and anti bullying information are easily accessible to both students and families. Federally, the Individuals with Disabilities Education Act, also known as IDEA, was, according to the U.S. Department of Education, created in order to ensure that all students, no matter what race, religion, disability, or background, have the same opportunity for free public education with services for each individual. As teachers, it is your job to be aware of the legal responsibilities and liabilities that can occur in a classroom. Teachers, through duty of care, have a legal obligation to protect students' physical safety, education and development, supervision and care, and the emotional and mental well-being, according to Rachel Bishop from the National College. Teachers are also obligated to follow professional standards and ethics. For example, the California Commission on Teachers Credentialing states in their educator rules of conduct and responsibilities that teachers are required to report child abuse within 36 hours of first notice, as from the notice of duty, and failure to do so can result in a fine or even jail time. One thing we should probably mention during this breaking news segment is how to help future educators work effectively within the legal and professional boundaries. First of all, do your best to understand the legal responsibilities that comes with being an educator. Familiarize yourself with laws such as IDEA to ensure all your students get the most out of their education. Promote inclusion and diversity in your classroom. This not only helps you as an educator, but encourages your students to be inclusive and open to others. Lastly, communicate with colleagues and authorities. In situations that you may not know what to do or how to handle, it is always best to ask questions or for advice while protecting your students' best interests. Thank you for tuning in. See you next time.